Here is the bilge pump. It is one full set with this float switch that can control this bilge pump well. It is a float switch. Max can be 20 MI. Max. I also have a customer named Max. And our switch out have the CE certificate, so you do not worry about our quality. It is also have the cable when you do connection about your light. You can see this the bilge pump also have the CE certificate. So please do not worry about its quality. We also guarantee the bilge pump with 1 year quality warranty. And here are our model and this inlet hose you need to connect to this bilge pump is 29 mm. Here is the outlet. You can see here is the cable here. When you do connection will be easily to operate. This one is the blue color. We also have other color. You just need to tell us what the capacity you need and how about the color you need. We can help you to send you quotation for your reference. Okay. Many yachts will use it.